you want to delete your Facebook account permanently in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step, quickly and easily. So follow along carefully and don't skip any steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So please like this video. First, open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon and then the gear icon to enter settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap See More in Account Center. Now, in Account Center, go to Personal Details and select Account Ownership and Control. From here, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to delete. Select Delete Account and hit Continue. Before you proceed, keep in mind, if you have any pages linked to this account, they'll also be deleted. If you don't want that, make someone else the admin before continuing. Now, Facebook will ask why you're deleting your account. You can select an option or just skip it. Scroll down to the Permanently Delete Account section and tap Continue again. Enter your Facebook password for confirmation, then hit Continue one last time. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for deletion. Facebook will take up to 30 days to complete the process, but once you confirm, your account will no longer be visible. Remember, if you change your mind, you have 30 days to reactivate. After that, your account is gone forever. So, if you're sure, go ahead and delete it. And that's how it's done. If this video helped, leave a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next one.